my name is Joe Partridge from justscoof.com, and today I'm going to be talking about cafetiere coffee, and particularly about the time when you have finished with your coffee. Cafetieres make a delicious cup of high quality coffee. They're simple, they're convenient, they're easy. It's at this stage when you've finished the coffee, you've enjoyed it, that's when some people find them a little less convenient and a bit of a hassle. And that's because of the mess in cleaning them up. So I've come up with a utensil called a scoof, which is specially designed to clean cafetieres easily. The diameter of scoof fits into the diameter of the cafetiere and is slightly smaller than it, so that you can use this utensil to simply turn and twist, pick up the coffee and remove the coffee. And it becomes part of the cafetiere ritual. It's easy, simple and mess-free way of picking up the coffee and collecting it so that you can recycle it or just throw it into the food waste bin. Firstly, you need to drain off the excess liquid by tipping it down the sink, using the filter on the plunger to strain out any grounds. And then you can collect the coffee and put it into your food waste, or if you're collecting it for other reasons, tap off the plunger, put it in the sink ready for a rinse. And there we have the grounds at the base of the cafetiere, and you insert the scoof and twist, lifting out once. You can use the blades to clean the sides as you go, twist out twice, and then for the last 5% use the blades as a rake to rake out the rest of the coffee into the food waste bin, and there you have it. It's cleaned, it's done simply, it's mess free, and all you need to do now is rinse under the tap. Use the scoof to help rinse out, and the final act is to put it in the dishwasher. And then that will be clean, ready for the next time you want a cafetiere of coffee. And a quick rinse, and it's all done.